Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Rutika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of the Shashwat Moshi, which is located near Bankar Basti, Moshi, Pune and developed by Shashwat Groups. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch, discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike the current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में. The Shashwat Moshi will be constructed on 0.82 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower. Each tower will be having 2 basement plus 2 ground plus 12 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा उनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के बैक साइड में आपको मिल जाता है उनका लैंड पार्सल. Coming to the location part of the project is just located near बंकर बस्ती मोशी पुणे. और ये जो राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रोड जा रही है वो डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करती है नासिक हाईवे से, एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो रोड जा रही है डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं पुणे हाईवे से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है देहू आलंदी रोड विद इन 500 मीटर्स, रिलायंस डिजिटल विद इन 1.3 किलोमीटर, डी-मार्ट विद इन 2.2 किलोमीटर. Coming to the amenities part of the project has luxurious amenities like yoga room, kids party club, indoor games, multi-purpose court, clubhouse and many more. And now moving forward towards the cafeteria of the project, the Shashwat Moshi has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK starting from 715 to 750 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 863 to 929 square feet cafeteria. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model, and we'll share the pricing and payment schemes, and we'll show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was a project overview of the Shashwat Moshi, which is located near Bankar Basti, Moshi, Pune and developed by Shashwat Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link. Do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.